Yes, dear friends, it's Christmas and plum cake is what we look forward to each year. So why not make it with easily available ingredients, as the ingredients and dry fruits can be tweaked as per your availability and your liking. Now the ingredient list, it's a detailed list, it is given at the end of the video. The masala, spice mix and basic things are you can take as per this, and the dry fruit mix that can be changed as per availability and whatever is available at home and your preferences. Now first we have to make a caramel for this cake so that this caramel will give the deep brown color and the smell, the distinct smell which is there in the cake along with the spices. For this I have taken, for this deep color and a different taste, giving a different taste to the cake, I have used brown sugar as well as jaggery powder. The quantities are mentioned in the ingredient list. Now as brown sugar is not easily, it cannot be easily liquefied, so you have to keep on adding water until you get a caramel of this consistency. I had to add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of water at different stages, and then on a very low flame and in a thick bottomed vessel only you have to make the caramel. After that you transfer it, the hot caramel itself, transfer it to a container in which you will be adding all the dry fruits, the raisins, black raisin, cranberries, brown raisin, almonds blanched and cut into pieces, cashews and walnuts cut into pieces. These are cherries, preserved cherries which I had for cakes and all. And these are tutti frutti. You can take this in a higher quantity. I have taken the dry fruits 40 grams each. There is no standard measurement, but you can take it. And this tutti frutti I have taken of different colors. I have taken 50 grams. So all this together and just pour. Now one thing which I missed out, I did not have it once I started making the cake. I realized you have to add 1 cup of orange or pineapple juice to this. That is essential, and because of this I had to add 1 extra egg to give moisture to the cake. But this has to be, you have to put this here, the orange or the pineapple juice will have to be added to this caramel and dry fruit mix, and this can be kept even overnight in the fridge. That will taste much better, or you may keep it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Since I did not have any juice and I could not get orange or mosme, so I have gone ahead with this. Now these are very tough spices, so I will pound it, grind it, and then this is the nutmeg which nutmeg should be used in very less quantity, that is half teaspoon only. I'll cream the butter. After the butter has creamed well, has become light and fluffy, add 2 eggs, mix them in, add the spice mix. It will be very fragrant, the kitchen will turn very fragrant now. And after that, sift in the gluten-free flour or the maida, whatever you are using, plus the raising agents, baking soda and baking powder. I have mixed them into the maida, and then the water of this extra egg I am adding, since I did not have orange juice as I have already told you. Add 1 to 1.5 cup orange juice at this stage, and all the dry fruit mix. Now the batter should be a little runny, more runny than this. Since I did not have, I am compensating it with hot water. So addition of pineapple or orange juice will give an extra zest and an extra zing to your cake. So Since I did not have time and I am making it on Christmas Day only, so I have just lined a tin with a round tin with parchment paper, but you have to dust it properly. That is how it should be done, because the shape would not come out properly. Like this has turned out, the edges are not very clean. I was in a hurry, but you have to do it properly. Cook. Now this has to be baked. Now this is very important. This has to be baked at 160 degrees or 150 to 160 degrees for 2 hours at least. And that is how the whole house will smell of all the spices and the garam masala and all the, you will feel that winters have gone away. So this yummy and delicious cake, which can be had by everyone, since it does not have very large quantity of butter, should be made. You can make it today itself. So please do try out and subscribe for more such recipes to Gluten Free India. Do share this recipe and this cake with your friends and family. Thank you.